Hey everyone, welcome to another tech review on the channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. And if you've been here before, you already know what we do. We test tech the real way, not just specs on paper, but how it actually fits into everyday life. And of course, we ask the big question. Does it qualify for the Yasvara standard? Let's find out. Today, we are looking at the HP 15 laptop powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U, a laptop clearly aimed at students, professionals, and anyone who wants solid performance without carrying a brick. Now, quick scenario. Imagine opening your laptop in a cafe, a classroom, or a meeting. You want it to boot fast, stay quiet, and not make you regret your purchase. That's exactly the kind of user this laptop is designed for. Let's start with performance. Inside, you're getting the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U A6-core 12-thread processor with boost speeds up to 4.5 GHz and 16 MB of L3 cache. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM in dual channel and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, this laptop feels snappy and responsive for everyday tasks. Translation: multiple browser tabs, office apps, video calls, and light creative work, no drama, no lag, no fan screaming for help. On the software side, HP gives you Windows 11 Home, Microsoft Office Home 2024, and 1 year of Microsoft 365 Basic. So yes, this is one of those laptops that's actually ready to use straight out of the box. Now let's talk about the display. You get a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a micro-edge design and anti-glare coating. At 250 nits brightness and 45% NTSC, it's clearly built for work, classes, and streaming. Not professional color grading, and that's perfectly fine for this category. Graphics are handled by AMD Radeon Integrated Graphics, which are more than enough for everyday use, media consumption, and casual creative tasks. Connectivity is practical and well thought out. You get USB-C for data to USB-A ports, HDMI, a headphone mic combo, and stable wireless with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Basically, no dongle panic here. For meetings and online classes, HP includes a full HD 1080p camera with a physical privacy shutter because sometimes you want to be seen and sometimes you really don't. The backlit full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad is comfortable. For long typing sessions, and the dual speakers are clear enough for calls and videos. And here's something we like. Despite the big screen, this laptop weighs just 1.59 kilograms. It also supports fast charging, getting up to 50% battery in about 45 minutes, perfect for those "oh no, I forgot to charge it" moments. Now, let's talk Yasvara standard. Smooth everyday performance, enough RAM for the long run, lightweight and portable. Practical features that actually matter. So yes, this laptop qualifies for the Yasvara standard as a reliable, no-nonsense daily driver. If you want to check the current price or available offers, you'll find the product link in the description below. As always, prices and availability may change, so it's best to check directly on Amazon. If you found this review helpful, hit like. Share it with someone who's laptop hunting, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and deals because we test the tech so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.